Good morning, Todd with Todd's Dodge Garage back here with you once again. One thing that is overlooked a lot on all classic cars is the window felts. They can be a challenge to put in, but if you want to prevent leaks, window felts relatively inexpensive, a little bit of time, and you can do it. Let me show you what we're talking about here. So this is a 67 Dodge Charger, and the customer, along with a lot of other things, wants the window felts replaced. So the window felts are these deals in here that are on either side of the glass, and basically they prevent water from getting into the door, or in theory that's what they're supposed to do. They can also reduce a lot of wind noise and water leakage into the door and interior. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace window felts on the doors of this particular car. Now, most Mopars in general are along the same theme. Some window felts are held in with clips like this. Some are held in with screws. Some are held in with staples. There's the staples. So it just depends on what you have, or a combination of. Now, if they're held in with staples, that's a pain in the ass. Not gonna lie to you. You gotta take everything apart, the door card off, window out, and generally speaking, you've got to staple window felts back in place. These particular ones are original equipment replacements. These match the originals identically. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we go ahead and do this. So these particular window felts, like you saw, are held in with retainer clips. So really, you don't have to take the door panel off. You don't really have to do much. A needle nose pliers, and you can grab them and just kind of work them, and the clips will snap out of place. There's one window felt. So now to put the new one in, it's literally just the reverse of that operation. You have to work the clips into position, and that can be kind of a challenge at times, getting them locked in just right. You don't want to bend this. And there we go. That is one window felt installed. And the window felts have a chrome trim on them, so they match the interior door panel chrome and the chrome here. So they kind of line up. So you can use that as a reference. There, one of the clips wasn't in, and you do want to check that each of the clips pops into place. So that is good. Okay, now we're going to do the inner window felt, and that is just the same thing. Very carefully grab the old one and just work the clips out. There we go. Put the new one in. And that is how you install window felts on a Dodge Charger. Really any car. I'm working on a Dodge Charger. So thank you for watching. This is Todd with Todd's Dodge Garage.